It's now time to install your Universal Laser System software. We're going to start by going to ulsinc.com and then browse to the support section and go to software downloads. Here we're going to select the UCP installer from the drop-down and then download the file. Once that's downloaded, we can run the executable, and there'll be a couple of windows that will pop up, and we'll agree to the license agreement. Now on this screen we're going to choose our laser type. We are doing a VLS desktop, so we choose the one on the left. If you're using a PLS platform or an ILS platform, you will choose the appropriate icon in this screen. We want to install both the universal control panel and the printer drivers. And then again, we select our model. In this case, we have a VLS 360 DT, but you would find your model in the listing here. Check that and click Next. Again, there'll be a couple pop-up windows asking if you want to install the drivers. You can go ahead and click through those. And once this is done, it's going to ask if we want to restart our computer, which the answer is yes. Once it's restarted, you'll see an icon on your desktop for the UCP, and there will also be an icon in your system tray as well that you can use to open the system.